Good evening to all. Welcome back to Social Science class. Hope you all are doing well. In the last class, we learned about diverse expenses, economic security, and habit of thrift. Today we are going to discuss about budget, types of budget, and financial year. Are you ready? Okay. We already learned about types of expenses in our previous class. Expected and unexpected expenses. Do you know how can we control these expenses? Yes, you all know about the use of timetable. Like that, we must prepare a plan for our income and expenditure. It helps us to ensure economic security. Let's see what is budget. Budget is a plan for using money. It is an essential part of a family. For example, family budget and activity budget. Keeping records on the estimated income and expenses of a family can be called a family budget. Income and expenditure of all families are not the same. Family budgets depend on the variation in income and expenditure of each family. Let us examine the benefits of preparing a family budget. First one, coordinate expenses in accordance with the income. Requirements can be prioritized and met with accordingly. The need for thrift and saving can be realized. Is it clear? From this, we can understand that family budget helps us to ensure economic security. Now, analyze the income and expenditure of a family for a month. From this, we can realize that income of this family is 21,000 and expenditure of this family is 23,400. Can you say, is this family economically secure or not? No, because expenditure of this family is more than income. Around us, we see families live high and low income. This leads to economic disparity among families. Here, disparity means inequality or difference. The central and state governments have been implementing various programs for minimizing this economic disparity. A budget prepared for a particular activity or a program is called activity budget. Example, study tour. For study tour, we prepare an activity budget. Sometimes expenditure may be less than income. That time, school will give back money to the students. Local self-governments such as panchayats, municipalities, corporations, state and central governments also have budget. Have you seen many states presenting budget in the parliament or legislative assembly? The central and state governments prepare annual budget for every financial year. Do you know when is the financial year in India? Financial year is the period from 1st April to March 31st. Understand? Let's summarize this chapter. In this chapter, we discussed about income, sources of income, economic security, expenses, habit of thrift, and budget. Families earn income from different sources. Expected and unexpected are the two types of expenses. We can attain economic security through better management of family income. Thrift helps to ensure economic security. Budget is a plan for using money. Hope you all understood about these topics well. That's all for today. Thank you.